Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Travel pillows, Smith says, are not necessarily bad. They're not going to cause any harm. Turning around a hard pillow constricts the neck. The rounded back doesn't conform easily with the seat back, and the pillow doesn't compress for easy packing, unless you have an inflatable one.
Let's help you make your mark.
Yes, on most airlines, a neck pillow can be considered a carry-on. If you purchase a smaller neck pillow, you can also make room for it in your carry-on bag, and have both the bag and neck pillow together during your flight. Many people bring along a neck pillow to help them with extra comfort as they travel.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Many travelers swear by their supportive neck pillows. Personally, I've found few neck pillows that really work the way they're designed. They're too big in the back, which tilts my head forward, and then offer no support under my chin to hold up my noggin that has just been pushed forward.
Let's help you make your mark.
Pillows are allowed on airplanes and they are not seen as any security risk. As far as security are concerned, you can bring a pillow on a plane, in carry-on bags, or you can pack it in checked luggage.
Let's help you make your mark.
Avoid using too high or stiff a pillow, which keeps the neck flexed overnight and can result in morning pain and stiffness. If you sleep on your side, keep your spine straight by using a pillow that is higher under your neck than your head.
Let's help you make your mark.
You may feel better and sleep better with a neck pillow. It's sometimes called a cervical pillow because the upper part of your backbone, where your neck is called the cervical spine. Research suggests that a pillow with good cervical support can help relieve neck pain and improve rest.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.